I'm Alyssa Yapel with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, and education and outreach is a big part of what we do. Today we're at the Unity Community Center in Delaware, Ohio, with a few of our divisions and partners from around the state. The Division of Forestry has hands-on activities for children and families to learn about forest health through an interactive experiment injecting insecticides to rid of the hemlock woolly adelgid, an invasive species. There's also an activity where kids can look at a variety of products and decide which ones are or are not tree products. The Division of Geological Survey has a lot of cool fossils and geologic bedrock that kids can touch and feel. They also have a mini seismometer nicknamed the Raspberry Shake. Kids can jump up and down and see the size of their earthquake. The Division of Wildlife has pelts and skulls so kids can ID native wildlife from Ohio. Sometimes kids and families can't come out to our parks, wildlife areas, forests, nature preserves around the state of Ohio, so we'll come to you at events like this. This gives us a chance to get out to people that we don't often see and explain to them how we balance the wise use and protection of our natural resources.